Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into a quick but crucial skill for anyone trading futures on TradingView: how to instantly flatten your position using the TradingView DOM. If you want to learn how to protect your capital and stay nimble in fast-moving markets, understanding how to flatten your position is an absolute must. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly what flatten means in the DOM and how to use that powerful button to instantly close out any open position with just a click. So let's get started. First things first, when you're actively trading, speed and control are everything. To begin, when you're inside TradingView, look down at the bottom of your chart interface and click the Trade button. This button pops open a sell and buy panel that allows you to place and manage your trades quickly without navigating away from your chart. If you don't see it right away, just check again. Sometimes it's minimized at the bottom edge of your screen. Now, next to where you would normally select your order type, like limit, market, or stop, you'll see an option called DOM. DOM stands for depth of market, and if you've never used it before, it's basically the trader's cockpit for seeing real-time liquidity, placing orders, and managing your positions with one-click execution. It's kind of like moving from a slow touchscreen to a set of racing buttons. It's all about speed, precision, and ease. For intraday trading, especially in high-volatility futures markets, having that kind of control is a big advantage. With the DOM panel open, take a look down at the bottom of it. Here's the magic: whenever you have an open position, maybe you're long the S&P 500 futures or short crude oil, you'll see a button labeled Flatten. Now, what does flatten actually mean in this context? In trading, to flatten your position simply means to close out all open orders and any active trade positions instantly, bringing your overall exposure back to zero for that particular asset. It's like hitting the reset button for that trade: no lingering stop orders and no active trades left on the table. This is especially valuable if the market starts moving fast against you, or if you just want to lock in your gains or limit your losses immediately without having to manually cancel orders or close trades one by one. A quick tip here: the flatten button will only be active when you have an open position. If you're flat already, meaning you have no active trades, then you'll notice the button is grayed out. This is TradingView's way of making sure you don't accidentally click it when there's nothing to close. So don't worry if you ever see it unavailable, it's just a safeguard. When you are in a trade and you need to react quickly, maybe news just dropped, volatility is spiking, or you simply want to tidy up your screen, the flatten button is your best friend. Go ahead and click it once. TradingView will jump in and immediately close every open position for that symbol, cancel any active orders associated with it, and basically wipe the slate clean. You're out of the market in just a second, with zero exposure, no mess, and nothing left to worry about. If you're new to using the DOM, try it out with a demo account first to get comfortable with the workflow. It's surprisingly straightforward and an essential skill for active trading. That's all there is to it: quick, simple, and incredibly effective. Flattening your position with TradingView's DOM gives you peace of mind, knowing you can exit instantly when you need to. If this helped clarify how the flatten button works, give this video a thumbs up. Drop any questions or your own tips in the comments below. I love reading your thoughts and helping out. And if you're looking to sharpen your trading skills even further, don't forget to hit subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.